Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Lee Local, and long-distance movers near me. Are you among those who live in Lee and want to remain in it? Are you ready to move? For assistance, you can turn to local movers. Local movers specialize in moving things within localities. You'll find some of them among Lee movers in 2023. And one of the best among those in the town is Lee Local TM Movers. Is hiring local movers better than handling relocation by yourself? Yes, these are pros, and they understand the factors that affect relocation locally. They have the experience and resources to navigate these factors efficiently to give you a quick and smooth relocation. Long-distance movers have licenses that allow them to operate outside their host state, enabling them to serve you no matter how far from Lee you live. Among the long-distance movers who move things into Lee is Lee Long-Distance 3 Movers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lee Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.